Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not connecting on iPhone. First go to settings, tap on mobile data, scroll down and find WhatsApp. Ensure WhatsApp is turned on. Now turn on airplane mode, wait for few seconds. Turn off airplane mode again, try connecting to WhatsApp again. Now open App Store, search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. If an update is available, tap on update. After that, go to settings. Tap on General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset Network Settings, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try WhatsApp app again. That's it, thanks for watching, see you in next tutorial.